Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate links on Wix website. So let's get started. So in here you can see that I have created my Wix website that is purely for affiliate marketing. So on the page right here, I have here the products. So if I want to add Amazon affiliate links, so for example, for this product right here that I have, so this product right here is a Valentine's gift. So I can actually just click on this Wix Market right here, wherein I can add applications. Just click on this one. And then once you have clicked on that, you can just searching here for Amazon. So searching here for Amazon. And in here you can see Amazon. So just click on this one. And then make sure that it is added to your site. So click on this ad right here. And then this will add a product showcase for my website. So let me just move that in order to still see the product's title. And this is what it looks like right now. So in order to customize the product that is actually present on this one, this is just a template, guys. So we need to customize it first. Click on settings right here. Then from in there, you can see the main. Just click on add items right here. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this Amazon affiliate, connect your account. So if you click on connect your account right here, you should be able to see a new window that will pop up in your screen. So this is what it looks like. It will ask you what country you are, associate tab, access key ID, the secret access key. So just input all of that, and then from in there, you should be able to manage to add the products that you're affiliated with. Other method is to just click on this add items right here, and then just search by name, URL, or ASIN. So in here, I have a product of Amazon. I just need to copy on the URL, then add this right here. Now click on search right here. And once you have clicked on that search, you should be able to see what it looks like. So this is what we are presented in here. This is what it looks like. Just click on the checkbox, click on save, and then it will be added right here. Now, if you want another item, click on add item, and also search by name. So from there, just search for pencil. Then this will show me the top 10 results for this right here. So I'm gonna just click on this one, as well as this one, and click on save. Then as you can see, we have now 3 items. So in the closest one, we will actually need to see that this actually what looks like. We have here the picture, the name of the item, and the price of the item. Now, if you click on settings, we'll be able to see as well the settings for this one, which is the item displayed per row. So you can change it to 2 if you want, and can also see the thumbnail size, the price and time, as well as the button language. You can also click on the sign and then change what it looks like. So you click on the color and you'll be able to change what it looks like right here. So for this one as well, you can see this buy now on Amazon. Once people click on this specific button, they will be directed to this specific product link. Then once they have seen that, they should be able to buy it from your affiliate link. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add Amazon affiliate links on your website. If you have guys the comments, comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply be below or spell or subscribe. That lets us reach more people. See you soon.